Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set up Vortex Mod Manager 2024. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To establish a Nexus Mod account, follow these comprehensive steps. Begin by visiting the Nexus Mod's website and clicking on the Register option. Choose Register here and utilize your email account for the registration process. Verify your email by entering the code, send to your email address, return to the registration section, input the code, and click Verify Email. Provide your desired username, password, and confirm the password. Go ahead and click Create My Account. Then hit Close. Navigate to the home page, completing the process of successfully creating a Nexus Mod account. Now, how about installing the Vortex app? Firstly, ensure you are logged into your account. Then proceed to the Collections and click Install the Vortex app. Download the latest version manually by selecting Slow. Confirm your choice with a click on Yes, and choose a preferred download location. Click OK and proceed with the installation by clicking Install, patiently waiting its completion. Once done, and choose Finish. Congratulations! You have now successfully downloaded the Nexus Mod Manager. And that's how to set up Vortex Mod Manager in 2024. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.